Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another video. So you guys, we're going to be working in the garage today, but I had a wreath that I got from Walmart for it was 50% off. So it's like $9. I bought it a couple weeks ago. I just hadn't put it out yet because we hadn't had Thanksgiving, and I had that one up. But one of you lovely sent us a doormat rug, and it matches this one. So I'm going to put this up and the new doormat out, and I thought you might like to see it. So that's one of the rugs. I thought it was like a mat that goes underneath a rug, but it was actually two different rugs. So that one is Joshua 24:15. As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. And then this one says, welcome family and friends. This is indoor outdoor. So I just love those very much. I think I'm gonna put this inside the house, and then this one out here on the porch to match the new wreath that's going out. But aren't they pretty? When people just, you know, bless your life. I just appreciate that so very much. That was in our P.O. box. It's just a blessing. Thank you very much. And then this old one, we're going to put that out by the back door because we go in and out of there as well. So that one just says, bless our family. And I think we got that from either Walmart or Dollar General. But we're gonna put these out, water the moms, and then work in the garage. Okay, so here is our garage. We're gonna be working in the garage today. My goal is to work on this area right here and then be able to rework some of these things here so that I can have a better flow of this cabinet so I can put some more things there. Also, this has become the catch-all, which I'm not comfortable with the catch-all. So we're going to have it catch itself somewhere else. Meaning I'm going to have to do some stuff here as far as just like some collective straightening. Those things are Christmas, so we're leaving those out. And of course, the Christmas tree. I'm actually thinking about moving those bags into the house, but I don't want stuff just everywhere. My sister's coming to get 2 bikes today. But this part still looks fairly good, right? So I just have a little bit of stuff that I have to do out in here. The main job for today is taking care of this right here. So one of the things about constantly going through these cabinets and things and just tells me where I need to stock and where I'm having some deficiencies. So right now, and I don't know why this is, I am deficient in deodorant. There used to be a ton of deodorant here. Now I see there's not a ton anymore. We only have 2 more feminine deodorants and 2 more for Jackson. So I've got to restock deodorant. I would put that on my list. Also, we used to have a ton of feminine items here as far as like sanitary napkins and different things. And so we are slack in that area as well as... okay, so I see some Vaseline lotion stuff down here. So that's good. I thought we were out of that, and that was going to make me mad because people just come in here using stuff and they shouldn't be. I mean, it's fine for them to take what they need, but we should not be low in our stores like this. So, this is Ma'am's crate. I'm going to move this. Down here, we don't have anything down there, so I can put some stuff down there. That's another shelf. I'm just trying to find as much space or freeing up as much space as I can. And I am short on dish detergent. So that's something that I will need to try to remember when I'm shopping to pick up, or when I get coupons to pick up, right? That's just going to be something that I'm going to need because these are the last 2 that I have. And I usually try to buy those on coupons. So we're going to go through here and really just figure out what is what, how we can move this out of Mom's way for me, lovely. Yeah, just move it so I can get to here for right now. How we can shift some things around and just make more space as we need to in the garage.
we have finished the garage. We just kind of want to do like a before and after, sort of. And this is how it ended up looking like. I'll just back up a little so you can see it better. So we got the stuff cleared off from over there. And we also have opened up a lot of walking space, thanks to Miss Landy moving some stuff out and us just rearranging. So we haven't been able to move any of the laundry soap because it was too tall for that shelf. But we were able to move the bleach down here. And we were able to move some other stuff down there as well. So we could put the rest of the stuff, which is this giant mountain of paper products, up here. So all in all, it was a very effective and opening, sort of clean, and we are glad you guys were able to come along with us.